Assalamu alaikum and welcome to the Galaxy of Intellectuals. This is the introductory lecture of this Java Master course from Basics to the Pro level, and we will explore the course content and a brief overview of the course and what we are going to upload in the next videos. So stay tuned together. And this is your instructor. My name is Obaidur Rahman Vice Sarkalvi. One may think that it's a too long name, and he's right to think that, but the actual name is just Obaidur Rahman. This Vice Sarkalvi is my pen name, which I use to write along with my literary publications and creations. I'm from Department of Computer and Information Sciences from Pyas, Islamabad. So let's explore the course contents. So the first question which may come in the mind of a newcomer is that why I should learn Java. So there are several reasons to do it, and the first of them is a platform independent language. And what it means by platform independent is that you have to compile it only once and then you can execute it on any device. The second one is the feature of its object-oriented language, which made Java much more modular and superior to many other languages. The third one is that it has vast set of application areas. Several large tech companies and several prestigious social media apps and brands websites are made using the Java. And the fourth one is that it has rich standard of libraries. And what this adds to the reasons of learning Java is that the number of libraries is directly proportional to the ease in the programming language, which means the more library a programming language has, the more ease the user find in compiling and writing the code. So, because the libraries are the built-in functionalities, the automated functionalities, which make our work more easy. And the fifth one is that it is one of the top three programming languages. The other one are the Python, the C++, and the Java. The Python and C++ are overcrowded by a large number of candidates because of their popularity. Everyone is using them. But Java, despite being an important language, the department of Java is still underserved because there's a fallacy and a misconception that learning Java is a bit difficult. But after learning from this course, you will confirm and reiterate at the end of this course that this is one of the easiest language you can ever learn. So stay tuned with us. And here are some popular instances of Java. There's Spotify, WhatsApp, and Netflix, which uses Java for these. So the Spotify uses Java for building backend services. The WhatsApp uses Java primarily to build and maintain Android apps. The Netflix uses Java for scaling and streaming the backend. So the next question which may come into the mind of a newcomer is that what is an IDE? So IDE stand for the Integrated Development Environment. Is a software that helps you to write, run and debug the code easily. If you are not getting this, think the IDE as a factory which contain all the machinery, all the equipments, all the processes which are required to produce a product. We just have to give it something as input and then it returns us the desired product. Just in the same way the IDE works, you have to write your code in it and it gives you and returns you all the code in a very beautiful and desired form. IDEs for Java. Here are some popular IDEs for Java include NetBeans, Eclipse, and IntelliJ IDEas. My favorite IDE is this IntelliJ IDEas, and for the rest of the lectures, we shall be using this IntelliJ IDEas. So here is the course content. I have divided the course into the various modules and submodules, and this division is actually mimicking the pedagogical and teaching methodologies of one of the finest and superior institute of world like Harvard and Massachusetts Institute of Technology. So it's a very well designed course. The module 1 getting started with Java. Here we will explore what is Java, its installation processes, and the first program in Java, which is Hello World. Okay, and the next one is that Java fundamentals, and the third one is that the function and arrays and the relevant topics. The fourth one is that the object oriented programming. Here a new topic and a new era of Java will open, and you will be exploring with me some of the more core principles of object oriented programming like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction, etc. Module 5 is the advanced scope and exception handling. Module 6 is the Java collection and data structures. Module 7 is file handling. Module 8 is multi-threading. And one of the most important, Module 9, GUI programming, mean the graphical user interface programming. And this include up to the module 8, one may find Java a sort of boring thing, or any programming language is sort of boring thing, because till then shall be using the black console for programming. But as we switch from module 8 to this module 9, there will be this thing which is called the GUI. This GUI will captivate and entice the users, and one may find sort of fun in it, because then you will be switching from this black console and boring console to an interactive graphical user interface. So this is going to be a very crazy thing for you. Module 10, and one of the most important and obviously an optional and bonus module, is that the introduction to FX and connection with databases, and most important, this mini project. We will do some sort of mini project, okay, and best practices and tips. As you can see that the number of topic and content is 50, so a lot of patience and consistency is required on the behalf of the learners if you really do want to excel in learning Java. And I assure you that at the end of this course, you will be a master of this Java language and you will be able to do sort of big things in Java. And the end goal of this course, you have a strong foundation in Java. You should be do OOP and GUI, and you should be ready for advanced topics like Android, Spring Boot, or other professional topics that we may explore in the future. So stay tuned for the full course. Godspeed and good luck. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.